Hi there! Here's the newly launched Noise X Fit 1. It's priced at $2,999 and packs a whole lot in there. A high resolution display, 15 sports modes, SpO2 sensor, heart rate sensor, and all the things that you look for in a device in this price category. It comes with a new strap design. At least that's what we can see on the box. So without further delay, let's unbox it, dive in deeper, and see if this one is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here is the Noise X Fit 1, and you can see this is a Noise HRX variant. The image of the watch is right here. Towards the back you can see some list of its features, the display size, the resolution, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, stress monitoring, 15 sports modes, IP68 waterproof rating, call and SMS quick reply, 7-day battery life. It will work with the Noise Fit app. It's available for App Store and the Google Play Store. At the bottom here you can see that the MRP is $5,999, but you can get this for a lot cheaper. Alright, let's unbox it. बाप रे, बहुत ही टाइट पैकिंग है। अरे बाप रे, that was hard. Okay, we have some paperwork. We are grateful. This is a registration warranty card, an instruction manual, and everyone's favorite noise stickers. So you have noisemaker, Suno Dil Ka Shor, the noise logo. Everyone loves these. And finally the watch. Okay, we'll have a look at it in just a moment. And a magnetic proprietary charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. So we get a square dial with a polycarbonate frame. Dark grey, matte finish. It looks nice and gives an illusion of metal. On the other side is a flat button. Now I personally prefer a flat button to a round crown button because they usually get stuck in cloth sometimes. The straps are made of silicone and has this red line design on both the sides. Very subtle, but they still stand out. It comes with a buckle design. The loop has the Noise branding, and here at the bottom is the Noise HRX logo embossed. Really cool. Moving to the back, so it's made of plastic and houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and the charging terminals. The straps can be swapped with any third-party bands. Just pull this hook mechanism to release. Simple. Alright, let's quickly pair it. So you'll need to download the Noise Fit app on your phone. The app is available on the App Store for iPhone and the Play Store for Android devices. Go to the setting, click pair and search. Take your watch, press the power button on the side. You'll get a vibration feedback and the Noise logo will show up on the display. Now scan the QR code and you'll be done in a couple of minutes. There you go. Alright, let's start with the display. So it comes with a 1.52-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 360 by 400 pixels. That's a rocking 354 ppi, and it really shows. The detail in the images are very impressive. You can actually see the craters of the moon in this watch face. The color reproduction is good too, vibrant and punchy. Also the display gets bright enough to use outdoors, but lacks the auto brightness feature, which is not a deal breaker. You can adjust the brightness manually from the settings. However, I suggest you keep it to minimum when indoors for the best battery life. So I'm wearing this watch and it's especially worth mentioning. It weighs just 30 grams and it's just 9 mm thin, which makes it really comfortable and light to wear for long hours. Now this is the type of device you want to wear to track your sleep, light and thin. Let's check out the raise the wrist to wake the display. Now mostly it was fast, but once in a while it took like a second. However, it worked every time without fail. Then it comes with IP68 rating, so rain, splashes and sweat are taken care of. Yes, you can wear it at the gym as well, but not recommended for a swim. Then we get the 24/7 heart rate sensor. Let's check it out. Just to test if it actually works, I kept it on the table and it says wear the watch properly. Now once I wear the watch, I get my heart rate reading, which was pretty accurate. Then we also have everyone's favorite SpO2 sensor. Let's check that out too. Now keep steady for a couple of seconds. There you go, pretty accurate. Now I've always said this, use an SpO2 sensor on these devices just for reference and not for medical purpose. Rest we get the usual stress monitor and breathe app to help you relax and calm down. Utility apps like the alarm. The best part is you can actually set multiple alarms directly from your watch. Then there's the timer app, weather app, reminder app, and stopwatch. There's also a watch face app, which basically is to change pre-installed watch faces. And there are a couple of very interesting ones. Like this one is actually telling you the time. The red dot on the top is the hours, while the white dot is the tens in minutes, and the blue dots is actually the minutes. So right now the time is 8:59 p.m. It's really cool. I know this can be very confusing, but you get the hang of it. Rest, there are many more that you can download from the NoiseFit app. Analog, digital, there's a pretty huge collection you can choose from. You can also set a custom watch face. Choose the place you want to set the date and time, then choose the picture and click sync and click done. There you go. Let's have a quick look at the interface. So you press the button on the side to wake the display, swipe from up to access your notifications and call alerts, then you swipe from down to access quick toggles, power saving, vibration. From here you can adjust the brightness levels of your display. This is do not disturb. This is the torch. The display turns white so you can use it as a torch. And from here you can access the settings. Now swipe right to access your daily activity, calories, steps, distance, everything is here. Your heart rate, stress levels, SpO2, sleep tracking and music. You can control the music that's playing on your phone directly from your watch. Press this button again to access the apps, activity, workouts, sports records, sleep tracking, SpO2, heart rate, weather, breathe app, reminder, music, alarm, stopwatch, stress tracking, world clock, watch face and settings. In settings you can adjust the brightness, the vibration, the wrist awake. In this you can enable or disable raise to wake, auto screen off time, device info, do not disturb, QR code, reboot, power off and reset. It's smooth, responsive and super easy to use. Coming to sports modes, so we get 15 workout modes on the Noise XFit 1. Outdoor running, outdoor walking, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, freestyle, basketball, football, badminton, core training, strength training, yoga, cricket, dance. My god, it's a huge list. It's got a good mix of indoor and outdoor workouts. However, keep in mind that it does lack built-in GPS. But again, not everyone needs it, and it does have mostly commonly needed fitness tracking on board. Then you also receive call alerts with vibration. It's almost instantaneous. You can see the caller's name, there's an option to reject the call, silent the ringer, and even reply with a preset SMS, which is very handy just in case you're in a meeting and can't answer the phone. There are some preset messages, but you can custom set and add more from the NoiseFit app. Similarly, when you receive an SMS, you can reply with the same preset SMSs. Rest, you receive notifications from other apps too, but you can't reply to them. You can only read and dismiss them. Alright, let's have a quick look at the NoiseFit app. So on the summary page, you can see your distance, steps and calories right on the top. Further down, you can see in detail the steps, sleeping hours, heart rate, distance, and if you click on it, you can actually see more detail about it. Further, blood oxygen level. In activity, you can see your daily workouts. In watch face, you can see your watch faces. Then in settings, you come to connected devices, you click on this, wait till it syncs. You can enable disable idle alerts, auto heart rate monitoring. You can sync data with Google Fit, rapid eye movement. If you want to have a short nap, it will also measure that. Drink water reminder, set device time. You can even use your watch as a camera shutter. Find device, weather settings, notification and alerts. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. My alarms, hand wash reminders, my reminders, quick replies and world clock. Basically a very easy, simple to use app. Coming to the battery. So the Noise XFit 1 comes with a 180 mAh battery, which Noise claims would last for about 10 days. But with 24-hour heart rate monitoring, notifications turned on and workout tracking, expect this watch to last about 5 to 6 days, which is pretty good for a thin and light device like this. Also, since the battery ain't too big, it charges in just about an hour, which is just amazing. Alright, final thoughts. So the Noise XFit 1 is a device that ticks most of the things that you look for in this price category. High resolution display, light and comfortable, dependable tracking, replying to incoming calls and SMSs, and HRX collaboration. It's a great deal. It's available in 3 colors and will be going on sale on Amazon, Myntra and the Go Noise website starting 26th of November for $2,999. But that's an introductory price. This is just for a few days. Later on, it will be priced at 3,499. I'll leave the links of all in the description. I think you should grab one as early as possible. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.